Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Bitrix24. Bitrix24 is a really great tool for CRM and also for project management, and I think that after finishing this video you will learn how to use it much better. So without further ado, let's start. So the first thing you want to do is go to top right on a Bitrix24, click login and create your Bitrix24 now. Simply, you just create a new Bitrix account or just change user and sign up with a Facebook, Gmail, etc. And when you're going to register, you're going to be in the dashboard of Bitrix24. The first thing you're going to see is that what kind of thing you're going to use Bitrix for. So CRM, task and projects, communication, where you can communicate and collaborate, or sites, create a beautiful sites that sell. It's really up to you which one you're going to choose. I recommend also, like if you're going to choose just task and projects, just press confirm, or you can just press I'll decide later, and you can choose it anytime you want. Straight away, when you're going to be in Bitrix24 dashboard, you're going to see a lot of things. So on the left side, you will see menu where you can switch between task and projects, chat and calls, work groups, calendar, time and reports, CRM sites, employees, and more. That you're going to see plenty of things here. Then here you're going to see message, task here, things to do that you can like simply a quick add. You can add event. We will get to it, and poll and more. On the bottom you're going to see feed, what was happening. You can also write message to all employees. And this is how it pretty much works. On the right side, you can see how many employees are going to be online. Then you can see also my tasks here. And then you can add and download mobile application on the right side. The next thing I'm going to show you is how we can invite someone to Bitrix24. So how to invite members? You can go to top right to click invite and then click here invite. First, you can invite through link. You can invite through email or phone, bulk invitation, invite to department. You can also add new user by yourself, extended user, and invite Bitrix24 partner. So what I can do is just write here an email and click invite. Invitation has been sent. So this is how you can invite someone. Also, when you go here to expand menu and you're going to click employees, you can set up the whole company structure here. So I can see that I have 2 employees, Marcus Tonelius and Talman Tips. And what I can do is you can write here things, see the tasks, etc. And what can I do is to simply edit your departments and your whole company structure, and you can add more departments. So that's what you can do, and that's how you can do it. So you can also invite someone to a department right here. So I can choose marketing department and then just add someone, invite, and they're going to get invited into marketing department. So as you can see right now, you can see the employee in the marketing department. And then you can see when you're going to click employees, you can see all the people right here. And again, you click on a person and you can see everything. Their tasks, calendar, drive, activity stream, and literally everything. So this is how the company structure works, and this is how you can invite someone in Bitrix24. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can chat and call with people in your team. So when you're gonna have a contact right here, you can simply choose personal chat or private chat or public chat or HD video conference. and you can simply invite someone as an attendee, right? And you can start conference. That's how you can do it. Also, you can simply again choose as a private chat, public chat, and video conference. And this is pretty much it how you can do it. You can write a message. And it's really simple way how we can use chat and calls in Bitrix24. The next thing I'm going to show you is how we can easily use task and project management. Again, I go to menu and click here task and project. You can simply click start here. And let's just click here, click here, click here, and I will show you everything. So first, you're gonna see tasks here, ongoing, that are happening, assisting, set by you, following, and then you're gonna see projects, what you can create, Kanban, close, that you can change here and add the tasks, and efficiency of how efficient you are. This is like the dashboard. So let's create a task first. What you can do is simply click new task, and right here you're gonna write things to do. So let's say YouTube video. Now I'm going to add a description. I need to create a script, and now you see, so you can add attachments here, you can add a link, you can quote the text, you can mention someone, you can create a checklist here, script, then let's go record video. So my task is YouTube video, I need to create a script, all that better word is right. And then we have a checklist here that you can add. Again, you can add observer to your script, to your checklist. And that's how checklist works. Then you can add responsible person, and then you have option to add it. So let's say that I have more here, so I can create project or I can add it to. So I'm going to create a project straight away. And you have options like what kind of project you can create. If it's a private project or external project, I'm going to create a project name, YouTube channel. I can upload the image, and then I can simply choose project dates here, and I can add a project owner and invite employees. Then you have options like what you can have for the project, and click create a project. So as you can see, we got a project. You can also enable time tracking, remind about task, CRM. Again, you can choose it if you want to. And this is how you can do it. So, okay, now add a task. You can add a task and also create another one. So I'm going to add a task. Okay, so we can see it right here. We got a task here, YouTube video. I gotta see the checklist. And now what you can do is to see the deadline here. And okay, there is a no deadline, but I can choose it to due today. Today 7 p.m. it needs to be done. Then I have a planner here. Again, is your personal Kanban board. And now again, you can simply to be done this week. And I'm going to done this month. And again, you can simply move it. Then you have calendar. In calendar, you will be able to see your task. And this is pretty straightforward and simple on dates. And then you have Gantt here, and Gantt is like really useful thing where you can find how much time is going to take you in various days. So when I'm going to click on ongoing, I can see it right here. These are ongoing. Then you're going to see assisting. And as I mentioned, you can then click on Kanban. And now you have select the stage view default. Okay. And now I have a new as a project. I can simply add a new name, YouTube video 2, and I can simply move it to progress and then finish. So this is how the task and project works in Bitrix24. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and yeah. So this is how you can work with tasks in Bitrix. The next thing I'm going to show you how you can use is a CRM. When you're going to click on a CRM, it's also really straightforward. So the first thing you're going to see are deals, contacts, companies, analytics, products, orders, and settings. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to add a contact. Right here on the right side, I'm going to click add. And now salutation, you can choose it, last name, CRM contact, first name Marcus, second name I don't have, photo you can edit, also date of birth, okay, position, phone, you can edit literally everything, and then contact type client, source call, and you can add also information here. So I just click save. Right after you do it, you can see the deals for the contact, quotes, invoices that you can create for the contact, orders, dependencies, history, profile, and market. I'm going to close it out. So we have a first contact here. The second thing we can do is to simply create a deal. So I'll go again on the right side, click add. And okay, new deal. Amount can be, let's say, $1,000. Stage is going to be new. You can simply change it to create papers, invoice in progress, final invoice, deal 1, lost or analyze failure. And then we have a contact. So I'm going to choose to create the contact that I added. And now I can add also company. We are going to create that too. And then when you're going to scroll down, you're going to see that this is a deal type of sales. And again, you can choose it to integrated sales, merchandise, services, after sales service. And now recurring deal, you can have it as a repeat or no. Click save. Okay, straight away when we got it, we see that, oh, we got it as new. When I'm going to close it, I can simply come and move it. So let's say create papers, and you can simply move between everything. I'm going to click on a deal, and you can edit it also here, that you can add product to the new deal. So new product, properties, and then on the right side, I can go quantity, $100 piece, and you just choose the unit. Click save. And then you can also add quotes. And as I mentioned with the contact, it's really similar. You can add orders, automation, dependency in history and market. So click save and close the deal. So this is how the deals work and what you can actually do with it. Same when I'm going to click on companies. Same with the contact. You can go on the right side and click add. Company can be, I'm going to add mine company, logo, company type, you can have as a client, supplier, competitive partner, industry, they are in, annual revenue again. Then you add an email, website, phone, and contact, and I can choose the contact from the contact list that we created. And then you can choose like address and also add employees and click save. Straight away also with your company, you can add deals, quotes, invoices, orders, dependency, history, and profile and market. So that's what you can do. When you go further, you're gonna see analytics. In analytics, you will see your dashboard of what was actually happening. So sales funnel, sales plan, etc. So you're gonna have like everything here, and you can see that when I'm going to click on the sales funnel, I see the deals. Then when we go further, we can go to products, and we create one product, but we can create another one. And this is the style is really similar. So let's say shoes, Nike shoes as a description, and I can add picture here, retail price 50, quantity 5, and unit of measure piece. Click save. And now I go back, and now as we can see, quantity in stock 5, retail price 50, and then we're gonna see orders here, and I can simply add a new order. And this is like we are in an online store right now, but you can simply create an order, and from who it is, which client, etc. You can filter everything here. So that's what you can do. And this is how the CRM work. So CRM is also pretty simple. You can go to settings and also add in the deal pipelines, how everything works with the payment options, permissions. You can edit those too. So yeah, this is how CRM work. And now we can go to the last step, and that's sites. When you're gonna click on the sites, you can simply create a new site here. And let me show you. So first, you can choose a template. So let's say I'm going to choose an agency. And right here, I can look how it looks like. I can edit a name and a description. I can change the custom color. And then I'm going to click create. It's a really great way how you can create simple landing page. And when you're gonna be here, what you can do is to edit literally everything here. So the first thing is you can edit the link here, the logo. Then I'm going to edit the menu item. And this will be like the tutorial for whole another 20 minutes. But what you can do is to simply add a block, and you have multiple options here. CRM. So it is a really great way that you can actually create a website on Bitrix24, and then you can just get leads from it, and then you would find it on your CRM. So I can simply click design, and I can edit it. Then I can also edit literally everything here. So I can come here and edit this too, and change the photos, upload them. I can simply come here, add a block, and you can add text and images, video, title, columns, buttons and links, site footer, newsfeed, schedule. So multiple things that you can actually add. And again, I can choose and change those photos. Again, same here. So this is how you can build a website in Bitrix24. It's pretty easy. So I can click here on edit, and this is the CRM form here. And now I can see the first name here. I can edit it, default field value, CRM entities, client match, headers and buttons. And you can really play around it as much as you want, how you can create amazing website with the Bitrix24. From my perspective, you can literally get lost in it, but it's like, okay, I would definitely choose it if I want to create simple landing page on which I want to grab and get a lot of potential leads and clients. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.